Hey everyone, this is, well, the opening, the reveal from Italy, the AR Blue Clean 613K, about 150 PSI depending on your attachments. Let's get this open. I've been itching to open this up. Well, make sure it works. Yeah, shipped from Italy. Got it off eBay. Online.it. There you go. Approved it up. Right. What do we get inside? We get the dispatch note. Very handy. Right. Before we continue, I'll be right back. Right, I'm back. How to get this sorted. Right. So, the AR Blue Clean 613K. Get the dispatch note. You get a solid metal cable, which is fantastic by the looks of it. Nice and sturdy. I'll probably take a beating when I do the cars. A nice little service book or instruction manual, some sort of pin or something, and this is some sort of filter. You see that? Apparently for sterilisation of water, but working on deionizer portion of the detailed mold. What else we got here? Packaging, more packaging. 15 meter water spike holes with a few bits and bobs. That's not bad, but probably never use this. Right, what else we get? Right, given this from Italy, get a European adapter now. Well, UK adapter. And we also get a wand. Okay. Well, hose gun I should say. Don't know how this works. This plugs into there. I need to work out all the technical bits after to see what's in this bad boy. Oh, that was a gun. This is the one. Right. Adjustable head, a bit like the snow phone. Let me see that there. Very solid actually. Might have to look at getting into a few more quick releases for this. And Universal Blue Clean detergent for high pressure wash. What's this? Scan for more information. Nah. It's a detergent. Given there's some sort of holes here, must be an inlet for the, for that really. Right, what we got here now? Got Trolly. The packaging. Right. I had a few options when it comes to buying and use jet wash. Love Karcher. But the K2 died on me. Well, not so much died. It kept popping out, the threads had worn out. And a bit irritated by that, so which is why I didn't really want to go for another Karcher. Well, these threads are metal, not plastic. Granted, the option was a K7 in the Karcher range. As, what's his name, John, for the details. He highly rates that. But given my situation, I thought I'd try something different. Okay, this is going to be a bit. Oh, see why it's heavier. Okay. Ooh. Right. I thought this would have been attached to it, but okay, see what happens there. And we get something else inside the box. So, this is not a dipstick, but our replacement for oil cap. Oil cap, okay. You'll have to definitely read the lovely manual on this, even though it's, I don't know about Trolly pages. We'll see. Right, so we get a power cable, which is how long? So what that always bugs me. The power cable should be longer. Right. So we have a power cable here. That's handy, a little clip on, so we put it away. Which wraps around this part. This is proper old school measurement. About 4.5 meters. Not too bad. So this is the detergent inlet, I guess. Seems logical. Then we'll use it on it. Got pressure adjuster here. Bar PSI, up, down. Okay, a little pressure cap here, which seems like it's in gel. Okay. So the way this works, it actually feels really sturdy. Pretty good actually. Well, plastic or caps. Let's get this back on. On off, pushing that side. And leave it in there. Right, so they can't pre-assemble, but I just see the top off the mechanism. Seems a bit iffy, let's see. Let's take this fuse out. 1, 2. Right. I was saying before, Karcher K7. About £300 odd, probably get a discount if you wait for the sales or something. But I thought it was something a bit different. As I said, metal threads, maybe a bit more durable. Seems a bit more wider, not as high as a Karcher. Don't want to mention, look it up. Right, let's check this bad boy out. God, that's a bit of weight. Ah, bugger. So it looks like the mechanism here. Broken. Bloody hell. Bollocks. Okay, I'm gonna have to return this or sort something out with them. Bought it off eBay. £350 and plus a few pence. Plus £40 odd for delivery. Come in handy, get extra points. And minus the top cashback. Don't get your discounts in where you can. And that sucks. All that for a pressure washer of a busted stand. Might actually bring you guys in a bit closer. Right. Let's see. Highlight times. Oh, GoPro. This looks like it's damaged. Looks like that's meant to push back. I don't understand what that's meant to do if it's not. That looks a bit odd. I think where somebody's constructed this, they might have done it the wrong way, or I don't know. then like I said, the wheels fairly solid, and you got the jet pump here, jet washer, power cable up into there, pressure washer gauge, oil gauge. I'm not going to replace that just yet. That's the nozzle. Let's get a bit of light on the situation. Nozzle on off switch here, and that is it. The bottom of it, oops, light, is meant to have this plastic mechanism, which that is meant to clip onto there, but it's broken. Okay, so I'll keep you posted, see what happens. I'm guessing that's meant to fit nicely on there, which it sits quite comfortably, to be honest. Yeah, it sits quite nicely. But if I go to lift it up, so if that topples, it's gone. Right. Well, let's put this back on. So my understanding would be that's all in. You have your hose, the wheel, and this might just sit on there, like that, or like that, like that. I guess it'll sit like that. Makes sense. Right. That there is the Karcher. With all the funky bits. All the bits. But I'll work it out. And I'll come back and shoot a video of me using it, hopefully. Ooh, actually, what's this here? Do not spray on people, animals. Well, it seems like a car there. What the hell? All on electrical points. Duh. Okay. Well, we're using it on the car anyway. Bye, all.